Looking for some great seafood, steaks, or pasta? Then Graham's Landing might just be the place for you. Right here in Murrells Inlet, lunch and dinner, 11:30 until. And they have outside seating.
It's a new day for a high. It's another day to try to get by. And ooh, yeah, I'm feeling now every second, every hour of the day. Yeah. It's a new day for a high. Yeah.
Hey y'all, hey, it's Beachin With The Boones. We're down here in beautiful Murrells Inlet in South Carolina, and we're gonna check out Graham's Landing. Let's go check it out.
They have plenty of inside and outside seating. So if you want to sit on the outside here, you can sit at a table, but look, they have booths right here. So right now, it looks like low tide here at Graham's Landing, but I'm assuming high tide, the water comes all the way up. Look how low the water is. So if you're unfamiliar with Graham's Landing, it's down 17 Business, past the Marsh Walk, almost to the end of the 17 loop before you get right back onto the business. They specialize in seafood, of course, but they have all kind of other foods on the menu as well. But it looks like it comes all the way up here when it's high tide, right where I'm walking. Here's a look back at Graham's Landing from the Marsh side. You can sit on the front porch if there's a wait until your seat is ready. Nice front porch. Look at all this. All kind of beach memorabilia on the outside. And look, that's me. So they have their appetizers, soups and salad, sandwiches, seafood baskets, dinner selections from the hill to the sea, and pasta bowls. Then you have your wine, cocktails, and beer. So we went with the oyster Rockefeller, which was topped with cream spinach, Parmesan cheese, and applewood smoked bacon. This pairs very well with a Bloody Mary.
Alrighty, so our son is visiting this weekend and he decided to go with grilled shrimp, french fries, and string beans. And that looks absolutely delicious. Oh, what is it?
What did she get? A pulled pork sandwich?
A pulled pork right here.
Wow, look at that. Yum.
With tater tots.
Ready?
Yeah.
Scoop it on. Egg? What is that?
No, it's Parmesan and cream cheese, spinach. Does he like it? Oh, he likes it. Uh-huh.
Well, that's a look right here at Graham's Landing here in Murrells Inlet. Right here on the waterway and on the marsh. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to keep up with what's going on around the beach so you can keep beaching. And until next time, we'll catch you in the next video.
Looking for good seafood? Well, we're down here in Graham's. I'm just gonna say, looking for good seafood? And we're down here in beautiful Murrells Inlet in South Carolina. And we are trying we're tasting.
I think she's eating too much. She's surrendering. Look at a white flag.